Never had a disappointment in the timing of the work. It's a very nice experience with the workers as well. Everyone is very professional, even the workers, even though they don't speak English or anything. So if we say they take the inputs and they make it better. Our feedback is constantly taken in each and every step. That's the best part of this journey. So it's not that you're suggesting and we are blindly going with it. It's taken our feedback regularly, even it is with a smaller work like puja unit or the bigger complete room.
Like basically you have seen many people working for you because you have many flats, so this and that again. Yeah. So how are workers, how are they cleaning, keeping the flat clean and work wise everything?
Yeah.
How do you feel it?
So morning they come on time.
Yeah.
So we never had a disappointment in the timing of the workers. So we have seen that they say that tomorrow morning workers will come around 10 and they would show up by 12.
Correct.
But your workers, they are perfectly on time.
Thank
And at the end of the day, they are cleaning wherever the work is done. It's not that they're leaving the messy place and running for the next day. So every day we go and visit the flat and check how was the work done. We are very excited to see what is the progress for that day. So it's clear for us to walk in and then see the space, rather a dirty space and no work completed properly. So yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
it's a very nice experience with the workers as well.
Great. And how about the workers? If you say something, how they respond, or my designers, or we basically, how is our response to you?
Everyone is very professional, even the workers, even though they don't speak English or anything, their approach is very professional. And yeah, they take in the inputs, like if there is any sharpie edge, for example. So if we say they take the inputs and they make it better.
Correct.
So our feedback is constantly taken in each and every step. That's the best part of this journey.
Okay. Are we matching your expectation in the design?
Definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
And are we giving the designs on time or before time? Like how is it? Because even though there are a lot of changes in designs, did you face any problem with from us saying, no, we can't do that? No, it's like this. Not, is that any feedback from that we want to give?
No. So, like I said before, each phase we are providing constant feedbacks with the design. So it's not that you're suggesting and we are blindly going with it, but it's two-way, of course. Like we should also, I mean, you have always taken our feedback regularly, even it is with a smaller work like puja unit or the bigger complete room. So our feedbacks is constantly taken, and also the designs are in for us for the timely basis. It's not delayed.
Great, ma'am. And overall experience still now, because the still is work is going on. The cost wise, even the providing a quotation, like are we delaying in anything that you wanted to say?
No. So each thing we are mentioning it on time. Like, I mean, we are actually discussing the future works as well as and when we speak about the current work.
Correct.
So it is going very much in pace. The pace is matched with us, and we are also matching the pace. We are also responding, and you are also matching our pace basically. So we want it soon. So it is happening, and also it's not one flat; it is two flat,
Correct.
which we are dealing here. So the pace is met.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Looking forward for the best finish and quality that we wanted to
Sure,
provide
sure,
you. And
definitely.
also, yeah, thank you for the feedback, ma'am.
Yeah.
We'll further more discussion we'll have after the next
Completion.
steps. Yeah.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you.